Yo boys, this is Bob. Bob is a very chill guy. Bob is lonely, Bob doesn't have a girlfriend, and Bob loves playing mobile racing games. And lately, Bob has been really upset, and you won't believe why. You see, recently Bob discovered a new mobile racing game called Racing Master through his favorite YouTubers. And of course, that includes me. When Bob tried downloading the game on Google Play Store, he couldn't download it because the game wasn't available in his country. So if you're struggling like Bob, single like Bob, lonely like Bob, and also can't download the game like Bob, then don't worry because I'm here to save you, my friend. In this video, I'll be showing you guys exactly how to download the global version of Racing Master without using VPNs or any of those weird paid apps that are trying to steal money from you. But as usual, before we get into the video, I'd first like to give a shout out to these awesome channel subscribers. If you also want a shout out on the next video, then make sure to subscribe, drop a like, and comment shout out. Okay, bro, the first step is to open Google, search for this app called APK Pure, and download it. Install it, and after it's done, open it. Now you want to click the search bar at the top and search for Racing Master. It should be the first game that pops up on top of the list. Next thing you want to do before anything else is to make sure that it says NA right here below the rating. After that, you can click on the app, and it should take you to another page where this button down here should say Install. Mine says Open because I've already downloaded the game, so yours should say something like Download or Install. Anyways, word of advice. I suggest you guys have at least 20 gigabytes of free storage before downloading the game, especially if you intend on playing on high graphics, because there'll be some resources in-game that you'll have to download. Okay, with that out of the way, I want to show you guys how you can get some free diamonds using my code. Okay, so what you want to do once you've downloaded the game and completed the tutorial is to open your settings. And then you're going to click on this button right here.
Okay.
Now you're going to copy this exact same code that I've written on the top corner of the screen and put it here. After that, you're going to press the Redeem Now button, and you guys should get your rewards. Alright boys, now we're going to run a quick duo ranked match with my bro CP Legends, because some of you guys have been complaining that my Racing Master videos are mostly just yapping. These are the cars I'm using, and I guess we'll find out once the game has started what car CP Legends is using. I just hope he's not using the SVJ, bro, because that car's too OP, and my Ferrari right here definitely does not stand a chance.
A few moments later.
Alright boys, the moment of truth. Yeah bro, I'm cooked, but I'm not going to let him win easily, because just like Nick 30 famously once said,
Never back down, never what?
Anyways, the race started and bro took off in an instant.
Jesus is Lord!
I thought maybe if I could avoid crashing, I'd catch up, but boy, was I wrong. The gap just kept getting wider and wider. It also didn't help that bro was not making any mistakes at all. This tunnel was the last place I saw bro. After this, he took off and literally left me in the dust. Anyways, yeah, I ended up losing this race, and I asked him for a quick rematch using cars of a different class, and this is how it all went down.
Pay attention to steering control and keep the body stable.
Push on! First place is just ahead! We're so close to victory! Don't give him any chance! Stay in the lead! Now you're a legend on the tracks!